Name is Sheena. I'm 30 years old and currently have a living partner with one child, age 1 year and 9 months old baby girl. I graduated in Bachelor of Secondary Education major in math. I've been a dentist assistant for decades. While I'm studying in college, I'm also a working student in Caloocan as dentist assistant or secretary until I graduated. That was my way of providing all my needs. My work was to assist or answer inquiries of patients, clean the surroundings of clinic every morning and every after duty hours. I'm great in dealing with different traits of people, handling stressful situation, and when it comes to cleanliness of my workplace, you don't have to worry about it because my previous employer was so satisfied on it. I also want to share that I don't have experience in teaching aside from my internship during my college days, but I do have experience in tutoring a 7-year-old child for almost 4 months. During that time, I was able to handle his naughtiness, his temper, and as a tutor, you need to have a lot of patience for your students. And for my future employer, you have to hire me because as you check my background, I'm a hardworking, loyal, honest, committed to work, and a fast learner. Thank you. Name is